Alright, it's Saturday morning and beautiful morning. Not supposed to be so great this afternoon, so I figure we'll start the day off with a bit of a bike ride. Get that out of the way before the rains come. So we just got her warming up. We'll go for a quick ride and then we'll come back and we'll continue our work on the TR250. Alright, we get suited up. Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. We're just picking up where we left off last night. It's about 2 o'clock on Saturday. We did manage to get our bike ride in. Managed to get it in before the rain. But it's looking pretty good out there still. The rains were supposed to come this afternoon and still looks not bad. Makes me want to go for a ride in the TR3, but anyway, we better get back to work on the 250 before the rest of the day is gone. So here's where we're left at, and I actually did a little bit more grinding on here to clean it up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to rust convert this and we're going to prime this. And while the primer is drying, we'll go ahead and we'll make the patch to go in here that we're going to weld in. We'll probably make a patch up to about here, and then we'll maybe endeavor to sort of trim this up a little bit and fix this area before we weld the other patch in. So probably be a two-part patch. Anyway, like I said, rust converter first, primer second, make the patch, weld her up, grind her down. That's the process. So I thought I'd go ahead and just do a quick template of the entire patch. So there's the template, so we'll mark this out on metal and cut it out, and we'll see if we can get it to fit properly. We'll try to weld it in as one piece. I said I was going to make a two-piece, but we'll try to go one piece and see how we do. Well, I think I could have done a whole 20-minute video just on making this patch. Anyway, it's getting pretty close. And a little trimming down the bottom and a little trimming at the top here. And we've got it pretty close to fitting in there. So we'll prime the back of the patch, prime the back of the repair area, and we'll let that dry, and then we'll tack it in, and then we'll come back and we'll give you an update. Alright guys, there she is tacked in. So we'll do the finish welding, and then we'll come back and we'll repair this little area here. And it's a little concave piece that I've got to create for clearance here at the top of the A post. So I have to do a little dented concave piece in here somehow, but we'll figure that out when we get to that. Okay, the patch is coming along. It's now welded solid, except for this area here, of course. And there's a small hole up here that we have to take care of, which is going to be a problem, I think. But we'll work on this repair part here first. So we'll cut this little bad area out, and we'll make a little, as I mentioned before, a little concave patch for this area. Alright guys, not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's done, and it's 100% better than what was there. So we're going to call this area done. All I know is I'm starving to death. I didn't have lunch today. I think it's about dinner time, so I think I should probably go have something to eat before we continue on. So that's what we'll do. We'll get back out here after dinner. Of course, it figures that it would rain while I'm starting to have my dinner. So TR3 got a little wet. I got a little wet. And we will have to chamois her down. The bike got a little wet too. We got that back under cover anyway. No big deal. Just won't have to wash the car now.